Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make closing stock 0 in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Vouchers and then choose Other Vouchers to access the stock journal. This is your starting point for adjusting inventory. Ensure all your current stock items are accurately listed before proceeding with any adjustments. Once in the stock journal, select the item you wish to adjust. In the consumption section, specify the quantity you want to remove from your inventory. For example, if you have 10 units, enter 10 to make it 0. Choose the appropriate ledger, such as goods issued or stock adjustment, to account for this reduction. After entering the quantity, Tally Prime will automatically calculate the value of the stock being adjusted. Carefully review these details to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, accept and save the stock journal voucher entry. This action finalizes the adjustment, updating your inventory records immediately. You can then check your stock summary. To confirm your closing stock is now 0, navigate to the stock summary report. Verify that the adjusted item shows a 0 balance. Understanding this process helps maintain accurate financial statements. Always ensure your inventory records reflect actual physical stock to avoid discrepancies and ensure precise reporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.